Mom, my tooth hurts badly. Please help me now.
Ben, hurry upstairs quickly. Tom sounds terrified and seriously hurt.
I'm coming now!
My tooth feels horrible. I cannot stop hurting anymore, Mom.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Tom, honestly, how much candy have you eaten lately?
Every day for 3 weeks at school.
Do you know what lives in your tooth if you don't brush?
I think I might know.
Boss, deepest house we've ever built. A new record.
Keep going, we have time.
It hurts. My enamel is breaking. Please help us.
That's my tooth. My own tooth is crying. Chocolate has energy, Lily. It's basically food. Tom, you have chocolate on your chin again.
Tom, 2 full minutes, please, not 2 seconds.
I always brush properly. I'm very responsible.
Good day today, Tom. Don't eat anything silly.
Dad, I never eat silly things. Never. Tom, why does your bag make a crunchy sound? Very crunchy pencils. Completely normal pencils. 1 chocolate. Just 1. It's completely fine. Lily, does your jaw ever feel weird? No. Tom, why is your face doing that? I'll brush double tomorrow. That makes it even. Breakfast is ready, love. Coming! My face is totally normal. Tom, your cheek looks like a large potato. It's fine. Stop looking at my face.
Tom, come here. Let me see your cheek.
Mom, it's just a slightly large cheek.
Ben, his cheek is swollen. Dentist today.
Calling now. Tom, shoes on. We're going.
Mom! My tooth hurts badly! Please help me now!
Ben, hurry upstairs quickly. Tom sounds terrified and seriously hurt.
I'm coming now!
My tooth feels horrible. I cannot stop hurting anymore, Mom.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Shoes on, everyone. Tom, jacket. We leave now.
Is Tom gonna be okay, Mom? The dentist actually not that scary.
Probably. That word probably is doing a lot. Dr. White is excellent with children. Tom will be fine.
Absolutely fine. Not worried. Not at all. Almost there, buddy. They'll fix you up.
I'm scared, Dad.
Hello. My son has a toothache. His cheek is swollen. Sit, please. Dr. White will call you soon.
No, no dentist. Never going back. Never.
Maybe we should all just go home.
Tom, focus on the fish. They're very calm. They don't know what's behind that door.
Tom Watson? Hello, I'm Dr. White. Come in, champion.
He looks kind, but the drill is in there.
Tom, this is my pilot chair. Pretty amazing, right?
It actually does look like a spaceship.
Tom's family is very welcome to stay.
Tom, I'm right here. You can do this.
Open wide, Tom. This is just a small mirror.
Just the mirror, nothing else, just that?
I can see a cavity here.
Is that bad? Am I gonna be okay?
Tom, honestly, how much candy have you eaten lately?
Every day for 3 weeks at school.
3 weeks of chocolate. Every day. I knew.
You knew? Why didn't you say something?
Tom, do you want to see what's happening inside?
Yes, but we'll let that part first.
Do you know what lives in your tooth if you don't brush?
I think I might know.
Party time. We lock sugar.
Eat well, men. We work again tonight.
Bring that up. Break the white wall. Dang.
They actually drilled inside my dad's foot.
It hurts. My enamel is breaking. Please help us.
That's my tooth. My own tooth is crying. I tried to warn you. I hurt for days.
A week ago. I said it was nothing.
They're still inside me. Right now, still drilling.
I'm sorry. I didn't know they were in there.
This is what happens when nobody helps. This is the end.
Tom, this cavity has been growing for quite a few weeks.
How many weeks?
Tom, What can stop the sugar bugs from winning?
I actually know this answer.
Brushing your teeth well makes sugar bugs completely disappear, Tom. Let me show you right here on the digital screen. Look.
Boss, stay calm. I can see your chat. Wow. Oh, this was our best house. So unfair.
Brush properly every night. The sugar bugs cannot win.
Oh, I let them in. I opened the door.
2 minutes every night before bed.
2 minutes a night. I can do that. Is fixing teeth your passion work?
Yes, preventing problems is the best part. Let's fill the hole now. Ready?
Yes.
The bugs won't win today. All done, Tom. Your tooth is strong again.
Wait, it's finished? It didn't even hurt. Tom, you did it! You were so brave! I wasn't scared. Not even a little.
Tom, I'm very proud of you. Very brave.
Did you really know about the bag?
Thank you, Doctor. He was very worried. He asked great questions. He'll be fine.
The sugar bugs live in every mouth? Yes. Purple Boss and the others. Tom, I'm brushing for 3 minutes, starting today. 3 is showing off, 2 is the rule. Back teeth 2. All of them. Every single one. I'm doing 2 minutes. I'll beat you. It's not a competition. I'll win.
Both chill brushing 2 full minutes to go.
Dr. White deserves a very, very large award.
Tom, you can still have treats sometimes. Just brush after.
I want to eat less candy. Seriously.
I let them in, but they're not coming back. I promise.
Lily, it's been 3 minutes. Stop now.
1 more minute. Bugs are not welcome.
Both toothbrushes properly wet. Excellent news, Lily.
Checking brushes? You're just like Dad.
Tom, 2 minutes. Properly done. I'm impressed.
Sugar bugs won't win again. I've decided.
2 minutes. Back teeth 2. Sugar bugs not welcome. I'm proud of you, Tom. Very proud.
Dad, I was a little bit scared tonight. I brushed before Tom. Before he woke up. I was brushing at the exact same time.
Tom, how is your cheek? Any pain?
Normal, Dad. Both cheeks equal. Sugar bugs, 0. Your back doesn't make a crunchy sound anymore. There are actual pencils in it now.
Jake, tiny bugs live in teeth without brushing. The purple boss is planning something.
I'm going home brush right now. Immediately.
Tooth is healing perfectly. Your brushing is
The
excellent.
sugar bugs haven't had a chance lately. I don't mind this chair anymore.
Same chair, Tom. Different you. Visits help.
Just one try. Maybe he forgot to brush tonight.
He didn't forget. Small bad habits, big problems. Brush properly. That's it.
Sugar-free ice cream is allowed, Tom.
I will eat anything sugar-free now. I smell sugar-free ice cream so cruel.
We wait. We will have our moment.
My scoop is bigger than yours, Lily. The dentist was today. It isn't best day.
Tom, what will you tell your friends?
We will find enough.
Regular ice cream now. I earned this back.
We both earned it. 2 scalps for me.
Ice cream tastes better when you earn it.
Yes, Tom, some things are better earned.
Ready for school, Tom?
Pencils packed, Dad.
A new empire begins. This mouth is sweet!
Race you to the sink every morning. No shortcuts.
Healthy teeth make happy smiles.
Truly perfect day, Amy.
Brush away sugar bugs every single day to keep your smile healthy.
Like, share, subscribe, and comment your brushing tips below.